that you all know is clove. Clove is very, very popular right now when it comes to growing hair. Like, it's very popular when it comes to hair growth. It can also help to promote hair growth. It strengthens your hair. It gives you a lot of shines. When I say strengthened, it have a really good strengthening property. So it really helps to promote a new hair growth. And yeah, so I'm going to be using my mortar here. So if you also prefer to just blend it in a blender, it's also fine. So you can blend it to a powder and then it's ready to use. So this is basically how it's looking. It's already blended a little bit together. So like I said, if you want to blend it, you can also go ahead and blend it. It's also very, very fine. So after that, I'm gonna be adding these two ingredients together in my pot, and then I will be adding half a cup of extra virgin oil. I do use extra virgin oil because of the cooking process. So for me, I feel like extra virgin oil is just the best when it comes to cooking like this. So I don't like to use other type of oil. So extra virgin oil is the best oil for this kind of method because it doesn't break down the quality of the oil still. So if you prefer to use other oil, you can also go ahead and use any other kind of oil that you know that is good for your hair. Or for instance, you can use coconut oil. Coconut oil is also very fine. So if you prefer, and if it's better for your hair, of course, so you can go ahead and use coconut oil. So pour then these three together and then bring it to fire to cook for at least 5 to 8 minutes. And after that, just keep stirring because the ginger can really burn easily. So we don't want the ginger to burn. So all you have to do, you have to keep stirring. Guys, my oil have been cooking for at least 8 minutes now. So this is basically how it's looking, and you really don't want the oil to burn down, okay? Because you are also going to be smelling the burn of the oil, which I really don't want to happen. And after that, you can set your oil aside and you let it cool down, and then you can strain it, and then your oil is ready to use. Guys, it's ready. This oil smells so good. Like, it smells really, really good. I do like this two ingredients together. It's actually smelling ginger and clove at the same time. Like, I really, really love this smell. So this is my oil, guys. You can actually use this oil as a pre-poo oil or as a hot treatment oil, and you can just apply it into your hair and massage it into the scalp, and then you can cover your hair with a plastic bag and you can rinse it out. Or you can also add this oil if you have a braid or you have a cornrows, or you just, you know, you have a wig and you just want to moisturize your scalp. You can also use this oil like that. You can just put it in the lines of your cornrows, which is also fine. So you can actually use this oil for so many things. As you guys can see here, I'll be using it as a hot treatment for my baby girl's hair. So I'm gonna massage the oil into her hair and my hair as well, and then we will cover our hair with a plastic bag, and then we can rinse it out. And today is actually our washing day, so that's the reason why I'm just applying this oil into my baby girl's hair, and then I can rinse it out after 1 hour of leaving the oil. This oil is very, very powerful, guys, okay? And it's very easy to make, as you guys can see. So it doesn't take you anything. I guess you have ginger at home, you probably have clove as well, and just mix these two together. It's really gonna grow your hair. Okay, so you just have to be consistent with this. Just massage it into your scalp. Growing your natural hair, guys, it takes time. Okay, it's not gonna grow your hair overnight, so you have to be consistent. You have to apply this oil regularly, at least twice in a week, for a better result. And you wait for 3 months or 2.5 months, depending on how fast your hair is growing, and you are going to get a good result. And one thing that I also have to say, that it can really strengthen your hair really quickly. This oil can really strengthen your hair. If you apply this oil every day, you can already start seeing results for like 2 weeks or so, and it's really gonna grow your hair. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do and you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if you would love to give this oil a try. In the meantime, hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.